Hi, my name is Alicia and welcome to my Ample Kitchen. I am your gluten-free bestie when it comes to gluten-free cooking, recipes, finding substitutions for your old favorite recipes, and of course some of the best kitchen tools and gadgets. Today we're going to be talking about the Pampered Chef Modular Grill Pans. These bad boys come in two different sizes. You have the large and then you have the small, and the set will come with one large and two small, or you can get them both separate. And what's really neat about these pans is they are made from stainless steel. They're heat safe up to 600 and they're dishwasher safe. Yes, please. And you can also use them with our modular sheet pans. So you can pop them off of the grill, put them into the sheet pan, and then they're ready to serve just like that. You can also use them inside of an air fryer or the oven, depending on what type of taste you are hoping for. I have used them on the grill already many times, and I am in love with them. Another neat thing about the Pampered Chef one is the handle actually attaches to either side. And then when you get it onto the grill, you can take it off. So you're keeping your hands safe from the heat. This isn't going to get hot while it's cooking on the grill. And the best part about it is it's saving you space on the grill because you don't have this handle sticking out of it. So I absolutely love that the handle comes on and off, makes for super easy serving and use. So what can we make inside of these? I know that's what you were wondering the most. I love making shish kebabs deconstructed, so you don't need the skewers. I've done sheet pan meals, but on the grill instead of in the oven. I've cooked steak fajitas with them, fish, or maybe you just need veggies for your burgers. I did a really yummy truffle burger, and I used the pan, the smaller one, for onions and mushrooms, so everything was cooking on the grill. Because I don't know about you, but when it gets warm out, I want to be out by the grill, keep the heat out of my house, plus everything tastes better off the grill, right? So how do you get your hands on these? Just comment grill and I'll send you the information. And until next time,